In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font style on iPhone. So if you're done with this video, you found this very helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change your font style on iPhone is quite easy and straightforward. All you need to do is go to the iPhone settings. So whether you're using iOS 18 or 17, the process are the same. So just scroll down like this, and then you want to click on accessibility, then click on display and brightness. Once you click on that, then you have two options available here, the text size and both size. Then just turn on the both sides. This is going to put in all the text on your iPhone. So this is one of the ways you can use to change the font style on your iPhone. Then if you disable this is going to make this regular. But if this bold text is enabled, this is going to put in the text on your iPhone. You see all the text will be put including the app's name. Is that? Now to proceed, while on the display and brightness page, then you can also click on text size. Use this to adjust the font style. So you can increase the font style or reduce the font style. You see this? Now just adjust it to a preferable size. And once you're done, just hit the back button. Then you should see the size changed to the size you selected in the text size. So if you show something big like this and hit the back button, this is what you're going to see as big as this. And if you adjust the text style as well, maybe to this, let's say the third option, and here you hit the back button, this is what you're going to see. So there is no direct way you can use to turn on or change the font style on your iPhone, except if you download a new font on your iPhone that you want to use to replace the system font on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily change font style on iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.